In this video, you will learn the general principles of Open Inventor objects in MevisLab. You will create a scene with 3 objects of different color and shape. Add a SoCone and a SoExaminer viewer to your workspace and connect them. The SoExaminer viewer shows the cone in gray with a black background. Add a SoMaterial module to your workspace and connect it to the SoExaminer viewer. Open the panel and define the diffuse color to be green. Adding the material on the left side of the cone, the green color is applied. On the right side, it remains gray. Inventor scenes are organized in structures called scene graphs. The order of traversal is defined as top to bottom and left to right, in this case from viewer to material, cone and finally back to the viewer. Next, add a sphere to your scene. Again, the order is viewer, material, cone, sphere and back to viewer. The sphere gets the same material as the cone. Both objects are placed at the same location. In order to move one of the objects, we need a transformation. Add a SoTransform module and connect it. Open the panel and define a translation in X direction by 3. What happened? As we place the transformation before both objects, it is applied on the cone and the sphere. In order to prevent this, we need a SoSeparator module. Connect the separator to the transformation, the material and the cone. The separator encapsulates the child modules from the sphere. Transformation and material are only applied to the cone, the sphere remains unchanged. Add another transformation after the sphere, and a cube. Apply a transformation in X direction by -3. The second transformation happens after the sphere and is only applied to the new cube. Add another SoMaterial and define diffuse color to be orange. Connect the module to the left side of the sphere. Now the sphere and the cube appear orange. In addition to a separator, you can also use a SoGroup to group Inventor modules. Add 2 SoGroup modules and connect them as seen in the video. Even if we group the material and the sphere, the cube remains orange. In contrast to the separator, the group does not isolate the children from the rest of the scene graph. You can see the difference if you replace the SoGroup of the sphere by a separator. The orange material is now only applied to the sphere. For a better overview, you can finally add another SoGroup to your scene and a SoBackground. The order of the modules is very important in Open Inventor. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.